was and will forever be so close to my heart. And not just my heart, there are many more like me who devoted years and years of their lives to this amazing airline. The skies seem lonely, the aprons feel empty. Voices echo in the terminals nowadays. A company we all gave our heart to. And when I look back on my career, I'm pretty sure I'll remember Jet as the best airline, 22,000 other employees and ex-employees. Here's a final adieu. You'll forever be missed and you'll forever be in our hearts. The rising sun finally sets. It's a goodbye.